You're listening to the Things Podcast, brought to you by the Things Industries.
This is Alex Pault, and I'm here at the Things Conference with Cindy Li. She's with MOKO Technology, and I'm glad that you're here to chat with us today, Cindy.
Yeah, thank you for talking with us.
Well, I'm glad to have you here.
Thank you.
So, what has MOKO brought to the show today?
I'm going to share with that from the hardware to the real-world impact. Yeah, how the customizable LoRaWAN devices can unlock the scalable IoT solutions.
Well, we need these things because the IoT, as the technologies are improving, more applications are being addressed. So what is MOKO bringing to the table? What advantages can you give us?
Okay, because many of IoT projects fails. It's not just because of the network or platform, but because the hardware devices cannot fit the exactly application. So and some offshore devices is too rigid, while the customized devices are too costly or the process is too slow. Yeah, so as a manufacturer, MOKO Smart can speed up this process because we have our R&D center and over 100 engineers. And we also have our own factory. We can easily set up for the customized hardware devices.
Well, that's very good because
Yes.
you have a lot of younger engineers who have great ideas and can write great software, but it has to be manifested in hardware. You got to have hardware to run it on.
Yes, that's right. And it's because our engineers designed our own IoT hardware devices and our own factory to manufacture devices. It can easily set up and also speed up the process, the whole process. And so we can provide the customization solutions on the devices. For example, we can add some sensors to the trackers to do the temper prevention, and we can also have add some different response on the smart badge. So when people ask the button for some help.
Right.
Yeah. So that's I think that's also all advantages in the about the hardware manufacturer and the hardware designer. Yeah.
Well, because a lot of people, they forget that the hardware is so important. Yeah, I got great software, but if you can have the best software in the world, but if you don't have hardware that can run it well.
Yeah, so this is what we provide. We can provide the customized hardware devices according to the client's requirements.
And what about markets? I mean, you would then also have it so that it would work in China or work in Brazil or work in...
Our main market is in USA and the European country.
Okay.
Yes, and we mainly get the clients and collect the specification or requirements from the exhibitions like maybe DDZ, IoT Tech, yes, from these channels. Yes, the clients can provide the requirements for us, and we will evaluate in our R&D team, and then we can provide the solution for clients to do the reference.
Got it.
And we also work with some ecosystem. We are not just sell the hardware. We also work with the ecosystem. So, for example, the integrator, the solution provider, and then we work together to make the LoRaWAN solutions.
Integrate, yeah.
Yes.
Well, I mean, I guess system integration is the final mile, right? If you have to get everything not just to work together, it has to work together optimally. It has to work together seamlessly. It has to work together cost effectively.
Yeah. That's we work. I think together with the hardware maker, the integrator, and the solution provider, then we can provide the whole solutions to the user and the customers. So we work together to scale up the quantity, and we speed up the whole process.
Got it. Are there any application spaces that you're specializing in, or you can cover anything?
We mainly for the indoor and outdoor checking. For example, indoor we will do the asset checking, the personal safety monitoring, and for outdoor we mainly to do the GPS location. Yes, and I would like to list some use case of ours.
Please.
We have done before. The first one is about we have done the project in the school safety. The teachers will have the badge with them, and there is a button. They can, when they are in some dangerous situation, they can ask the button, ask for help, and there are also some anchors installed in the school, and the badge can scanning the signal from the devices and then to do the location.
Very cool.
Yeah.
What about can you give us another use case?
Another use case, we also have some projects done in European country that's to do the tools monitoring. For example, the Bluetooth speakers will sticker on the assets and then going into the truck. The truck, there will be GPS locator on the truck, so we will know if the assets go into the truck or not. So they can manage the assets, yeah,
Excellent.
in the whole process.
Well, it really is, those are very important applications as well, especially when you think about personal safety, accountability,
Yes, just
inventory, all of that.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Were there any aspects that you'd like to bring up that we didn't have a chance to chat about yet?
I think I also want to introduce another service.
Please.
Of our company, except to customize the IoT hardware devices. We can also provide the contracts manufacturer service, and that means if the clients provide the files, they design the products by themselves. They can provide us the files. Then we can manufacture for them. We can provide one-stop service from the component sourcing, PCB assembly, and programming, and finish the products.
And you can help optimize the design.
Yes, because we have our own R&D team, and we can help them too. And we can also provide some recommendations, some suggestions about that.
Well,
Yeah.
And when you talk about parts, right? Sometimes you really have to understand the supply chain, because sometimes a designer will order a part or ask for a part or design in a part, and that part's not available.
Yeah.
So you have to suggest alternate parts for them that are available.
Yes, and we have a very mature purchasing channel, and we can recommend some alternatives about the components, because some components the customer choose is very expensive, or the lead time is very long. So we can to recommend some alternatives for the
A better part, because it's not just about not being in stock. It might be in stock but be expensive, or it might be in stock but take too long to get, as you pointed out, long tail there.
Yes, and we also, our engineers can help to do the certifications.
Which is important.
Yes, the certifications like FCC, CE, REACH, and ROSE. Yeah.
Or like when you think about it, medical needs special certifications, for example. Certain application spaces need additional certification.
Yes, and to be honest, we also have this certification of the factory for manufacture the medical devices. It's called 13485.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's hopefully for repair for manufacture the medical devices.
There you go. And that's very important, because people's lives are involved in that.
Yeah, yes.
Very cool. So Cindy, were there any other things you wanted to leave with our audience before I let you go today?
Not yet. I think thank you for your time to let us to share these informations.
Well, and I'm glad you came here to have a chat with us today. I'm really happy for that as well.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Cindy.
Thank you.